was just sent this sticky lint roller. Now this isn't like a normal lint roller that I've had, because you can actually piece it together, and instead of just using it like this, which obviously you can, it actually has an extender that you just put in here, and it extends out up to 4 feet. So they just click all right into place. You have this right here that clicks in next, and then you've got your handle that you can put in, and at the top you can actually hook it on any sort of hook that you're wanting to use. And now you're able to use this to get, whether it's under a sofa or kitchen counters or anything like that that's a little bit hard to reach. It's kind of like a silent vacuum. Now this is a 6.3 inch width on here, and it all just comes off. Like I said, it's very sticky, and you have a little area to be able to dock this in that allows it to then sit upright whenever you are done. It will then store nicely. So let's go out and put this thing to the test. So I have this area here where I cut my dog's hair, and it is always so gross back in there, and I don't really ever want to reach back in there and get it because it's always up against the floorboards. And this is doing a great job picking all of that up, and I don't have to. It's got all the dust, it's collecting all the hairs, and this is just over regular tile. It also would work on sofas or anything like that as well. And then whenever you're finished, all you've got to do is just peel off this one little sticky part. So to peel it off, you just grab the end and you roll it off, and that is disgusting. It's got a little perforated edge so you know when to stop, and then you just pull it off and you've got it ready to go again.